Welcome to my closet. This is Jocelyn. Today I'm really excited because I want to show you two party dresses from Veloz Studio, which is my online swim store. But we also carry more than swimwear. We also carry party dresses, denim, blouses, and accessories, beach cover-ups. So the site has tons of things, but these are two of my favorite party dresses, and I can't wait to show you look number one, which is gonna be this amazing sequins gold dress. That's gonna be a lot of fun wearing. So we're gonna put a little makeup on and have fun with it. And the second look I wanna show you is my other favorite dress. How amazing is that? Sorry, I'm like, I'm so bad at holding two things at once. Anyway. That's gonna be a lot of fun wearing that too, so I cannot wait to see how they look. So yay, it's gonna be fun. Let's put some makeup on and look glam. Okay, let's begin.
Now what can I do when my feelings getting stronger? And the way that you move, I can't take it any longer. I'm addicted to you. Oh, I love it when you're looking at me. I'm addicted to you. Let me show what I got for you, girl. So won't you come along? Together we're stronger. The night ain't really over. So baby, come along.
And voila! Now that we have a little bit of makeup on, let's try with look number one. That was fun. Okay, so now we're gonna change the look for the dress number two, the gold sequin dress. So I'm gonna change the eyeshadow and wear something more goldy-ish. Yeah. So let's see my attempt to that. I'm just gonna use a different eyeshadow, just to go more with the, you know, with the gold dress. All right, let's get this hair away.
Now what can I do when my feelings getting stronger? And the way that you move, I can't take it any longer. I'm addicted to you. Oh, I love it when you're looking at me. I'm addicted to you. Let me show what I got for you, girl.
Okay, so look number two, we changed the makeup and we put a little bit of gold eyeshadow and to go with the gold dress, yay! Which is this one. Show! Glam, 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 glammity, glam, glam. So let's try this on. Cha! Looks. Those are my two favorite dresses, but there's many more. So feel free to browse. And yeah, I think these are great alternatives for a night out. And I just wanted to show them to you to see how they look and move and feel and shine. Anyway, okay, that's all. Catch you next. Bye.